Welcome, Pinterest enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fun, fresh update that lets you jazz up your comments like never before. Get ready to express yourself beyond words. We're talking stickers. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to add a sticker to your comment on a pin, all from your PC. First things first, fire up your computer and head over to Pinterest.com. Once you're on the home page, take a scroll and find that pin that just screams for your witty input or heartfelt appreciation. Click on it to open it up. See that comment bar? That's your gateway to sticker paradise. Give it a click and let your thoughts flow. Type in your comment, whether it's a "Wow, I need this in my life," or a simple "Great idea." Get your message across. Now, here comes the magic. Spot that sticker icon? It's usually located right there in the comment area. Give that little icon a click and prepare to be amazed. A sticker selection will pop up, offering a delightful array of options. Browse through the categories, explore the themes, and find the sticker that perfectly captures your mood or enhances your comment. From cute emojis to expressive animations, there's a sticker for every occasion. Once you've found the sticker of your dreams, simply click on it to select it. It will be automatically added to your comment. Take a quick look to make sure it complements your message perfectly. Happy with your sticker-enhanced comment? Great. Now, all that's left to do is hit that send button. Boom. Your comment, complete with a dazzling sticker, is now live for everyone to see. Wasn't that easy? With this new update, Pinterest has made commenting more engaging and expressive than ever before. Stickers add a personal touch, allowing you to connect with creators and fellow pinners in a whole new way. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and let those stickers fly. Experiment with different combinations, express yourself authentically, and have fun spreading some sticker joy on Pinterest. And that's it for today's quick tip. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now go forth and sprinkle some sticker magic across the Pinterest universe.